everybody, I am Parikshit Moore and holidays are coming and Santa gives us a lot of gifts. I am having a good time. Are you having a good time in your holidays? Tell us in the comments. And do you know, we are going to draw a Santa. Not just a normal Santa, but it is special.
But Among Us Santa.
Yeah. So, to make the Among Us Santa, we need a black sketch pen and papers and something to color. And let's start drawing.
Preview.
Let us start making the Among Us Santa.
Ready for the holidays, ready for the Santa, and let's Among Us get ready for the Santa.
For that, we need black sketch pen and papers and something to color. This will be a little different one. Okay, Papa. We draw this little bit. Then just do this. I'm going to make a baby one again. Because it will be easier to color. Right, Papa? The baby one will be a little easier to color. Of course.
Okay.
Babies are so easy to color.
Okay. Now what do? We'll make the Santa's cap. How is the Santa's cap?
Like a cotton.
Hey,
In the
like a
bottom.
cloud,
Yes.
isn't it? Yes.
Done with the cap also.
Now we make the
What is that noise? I guess nothing. I think that was a noise of a bird.
okay.
What are you doing?
Drawing his belt, Santa's belt.
Santa doesn't have a belt.
Yes, he has.
No, he doesn't.
He has.
No, he doesn't. But let's first do drawing.
Continue drawing.
What are you doing then? What do I have you stop?
Move it, that's two. And we make his
I am done. Should I start coloring? We need black. We need black and red and a little yellow color and a little How was your Among Us Santa? It was easy and or hard? Tell us in the comments. And do a like and subscribe our channel to see more drawing ideas.
And parents, share your kids' drawings with us on Instagram and tag us at the rate Kids Fun Learn Club and hashtag Kids Fun Learn Club. We will have special gifts for all of you kids, whoever uploads your drawings on Instagram.
Yay!